Hazrat Ali described about Astigfar as Al-Istighfaru dawa'u zanoob. Istighfar is the remedy of sins. Ajibto liman yaknutu wa ma'ahul istighfar. I wonder at the person who despairs even when there is a room for istighfar. Hazrat Ali said, Innal istighfara wa huwa ismun waqi'un ala sittati ma'anin. Astaghfar is spoken on 6 meanings. Awwaluha an-nadmu ala ma madha. Number 1, being ashamed of past sins. Wasani al-azmu ala tarkil audi ilayhi abada. Number 2, be determined not to sin again. Wasalisu an tuaddi ilal makhluqina haquqahum. Number 3, return the rights of Allah's creature. وَالرَّابِعُ أَن تَعْمَدَ إِلَى كُلِّ فَرِيضَةٍ سَيَّأَتَهَا فَتُؤَدِّي حَقَّهَا. Number 4, paying off the lost every duty and also perform them. وَالْخَامِسُ أَن تَعْمَدَ إِلَى اللَّحْمِ الَّذِي نَبَتَ عَلَى الصُّحْتِ. Make up one's mind which is made of forbidden flesh would be met with sorrow and pain. حَتَّى تَلْسِكُ الْجِلْدُ بِالْعَزْمِ وَيَنْشَوْ بَيْنَهُمَا لَحْمٌ جَدِيدٌ. Even over the bones, new flesh may grow up and rise. وَسَادِسُ أَن تَذِيقَ الْجِسْمَ عَلَمَ طَاعَةِ كَمَا أَذَقْتَهُ حَلَاوَةَ الْمَعْصِيَّةِ. Make the body suffer so much obedience as much as the sweetness of disobedience was tasted. فَإِنَّ ذَلِكَ تَقُولُ أَسْتَغْفِرُ. Then you can say Astaghfirullah. Sahifa Alviya is the collection of the prayers of Hazrat Ali, where the repetition of Astaghfirullah will be found. In Hazrat Ali's famous Dua Kamal, it is mentioned, Allahumma ghafir liya zanub allati tunzilul bala. Ya Allah, forgive my those sins which cause to reveal trial, wa tughayyiru ni'am, and change the blessings. Hazrat Ali forbade about such persons, yarjiyat tawbata litulil amali. Those who delay repentance due to long hopes. In aradat lahu shahwatun aslafal ma'siyata wa sawfat tawbata. Those who commit sin and they are evasive about the repentance.